Welcome back. In this video, after you successfully logged into the AWS console, what are the options are there? As a AWS administrator, what are the jobs you can perform? What are the options available in this home console? I'll show you. So let's go back to the AWS console page. So in the AWS console home page, this is the screen you will get. In the left top corner, AWS logo is there. At any point of time, you want to come back to the screen, you please click the logo, you'll be redirecting to this page. And below the logo, we have three lines will be there. This is an options. When you click here is a console home options. My applications and my services are there. So my applications and all services are there. As of now, you have not created any my applications, which is a new options which is introduced by Amazon. Let's go to the all services. So guys, these are the all services from Amazon. Compute services, container services, storage services, database services, migration services, like that. Different services are there. If you count that, nearly 200 plus services are available. So to become as a DevOps engineer, you don't want to learn all the services, not required. So very few services only we are going to learn in this DevOps with the AWS master program in next 12 weeks. Coming back, not only all services here services icon will be there. Once you click on that, the category wise, the services are available. You please click on open it. Both are same. All services and services, both are same. Next, here is a search option is there. Any services you want directly, you don't want to go here and you can open like this. If you know the services, you can directly type here and you can search and open the services. Example, we have a storage service is there, S3 service. I can directly type S3 and you will get this icon. Just open it here like this. It's a quick search. It is a quick search. Again, I want to go back to the home screen. Click here to go back to your home console. Next, in the right side, there is a cloud shell is available. What is a cloud shell? What are the operations you are doing in this console, like a user interface, graphical user interface? The same job you can perform with the command line also. That is called cloud shell. When you click this cloud shell is open and entire environment you can manage with the cloud shell with the command line interface. So it's very difficult to understand or maybe practicing this. You need a more practice. Going forward, I will show you one session. What is a cloud shell? How you need to use. You need some basic Linux knowledge. You need to practice these services. Coming here is the notification symbol. So any kind of notifications you have received and you will get this. Right now there's no notifications. Everything looks good. This is a question mark, is a help center. So here any kind of questions and doubts, you can use this particular links. You can clarify your doubts like support center, expert help, repost, documents, free trainings, send feedback. Some kind of features are there. Based on your interest, you can please explore and get more knowledge on this particular help center. Coming to the setting symbol. So this setting symbol is only for a viewing option. Any type of you are so now here we have an option. Okay, so here we have an option for setting option. So light, dark themes are there. So light theme, so like this type of options will be there. Dark theme, when you're working in the night time, you can switch your screen to the dark theme. So based on your important maybe default browser settings, you can select it. Based on the browser settings, automatically adjusted. Coming to this, here is your regions. So regions is nothing but where you are going to set up your data center, where you are going to set up your data center. The data center was available worldwide. The AWS, the data centers are available worldwide, that we can check here. Go to Google, AWS Global Infrastructure Map. AWS Global Infrastructure Map. If you click this, you can open this page and you can check this. 33 regions are there. So region, let me explain. Mumbai is one region. Hyderabad is one region. So that means location is one region. So like that, 33 launched regions are there. So that means you can scroll down. In the world map, you can see the green spots, which is a launched regions. In India, Hyderabad and Mumbai, these are the two regions are available. Anywhere you can set up your data center and your services. Not only these locations, anywhere in the world you can select it, no matter what. Suppose your customers are mostly from India, you can create the services here. Maybe if in abroad, maybe you can select the data center in that location only. So like that, we have a 33 regions are there. With the 33 regions, 105 availability zones are there. What is meaning of availability zones? Data centers. Availability zone means data centers. So that means in each region, multiple data centers are there, multiple availability zones are there. So that means availability zone equals to data center. So now you can go here in this Mumbai location, availability zones is 3. Mumbai availability zones is 3. So that means 3 data centers in Mumbai location, 3 data centers in Hyderabad locations. Like that, Melbourne, 3 data centers. Like that in multiple locations, okay? In each region, multiple data centers are there. Minimum 2 they will maintain. Some big locations, they'll maintain 3 data centers also. So like that, total worldwide 105 big data centers are available. Cloud data centers are available. So the remaining concept like what is a point of presence, like wavelength zones, what is a direct connections, okay? What is the 245 countries and territories, that I will discuss in the networking concept in upcoming sessions. Coming back, so when you are switching to one location to another location, open this and you can click on this, the services, you can directly go here. So now I am in Tokyo location. Maybe you want to go back to Hyderabad. Yes, you can click on Hyderabad. If you want to click on North Virginia, your console will be redirecting to North Virginia. So whatever the services you are doing, it will be stored in the North Virginia location like this. What is the do's and don'ts here? Do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts. When you are practicing the first session, okay, so you can stick on to one location. If you're practicing the session in Ohio, you always practice in the Ohio. If you practice in the Mumbai, you can practice in the Mumbai. So maybe I'll be teaching different classes for different people. Okay, I'm keep on moving to different locations. Okay, but you guys, you can stick on to one location. Every location is the common features, no changes at all. But you need to stick on to one location. Are you okay? Now finally, here is your account details will be there. You please click on account details. Before clicking on account details, you please check this. This is your account ID. This is a 12-digit ID, is a unique for only for yourself, not for others. So in the left side, the free tier account is there. So what are the services you are practicing within the limit. If you cross the limit, everything will be showing in the dashboard. In upcoming sessions, I will clearly explain when we start using the services. Okay. So this is the overall AWS console home tour. Please start with your questions one by one.
So, hi Rajesh. One question is, when we are selecting the location, right? Uh, it is like we can select anywhere in around the world. But is there any? See, let's consider I have customers in US, whereas I stay in India. I have selected the location as in Hyderabad. So what are the cons? I mean, don't cons of that, drawbacks of that.
Perfect question. Let me give you a proper answer. Okay. Do you know uh, this business? Dunzo?
Yes.
Dunzo? Okay.
Yeah.
It was
Yeah.
started in the year of 2014. Okay. Its headquarters is
Mhm.
in Bangalore, Karnataka. Actually, is an India-based company. Okay.
Mhm.
Suppose this application was developed and this application, suppose it is hosted on, okay, AWS.
US.
No, no,
Okay.
no,
Mm.
AWS, not US, AWS.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
if the business is running in India, so customers also from India only, right?
Yes.
So I'm from Hyderabad. If I want to access this Dunjo application, if the
Mm.
servers are hosting in, if the servers are hosting in the world map, the data center is
Mhm.
in Hyderabad is best, Mumbai is best, or Melbourne is best.
Of course, nearer is best, but
Exactly. So I will set up the primary data centers for Dunzo application in Hyderabad. Secondary will be in Mumbai. Maybe active configure. Few servers are from Mumbai and few servers are from Hyderabad. So if you check the India map, if you check the India map,
Mhm.
see this north and south. Okay, north and south.
Yeah.
So this is a south and this is a north pole. Okay. So whoever nearest to Hyderabad, so based on the network connectivity, the people are connecting Hyderabad data center. There is some logics are there. Okay. So basically in the
Yeah.
technology wise, logics are there. If the people are nearest to Mumbai location, they will connect to Mumbai data center. So there is no latency.
Data. Yeah. Okay. So data retrieving speed also will increase.
Exactly. So, as an architect, you need to decide where you need to set up the data center. You need to check the connectivity speed. So, going forward, when I'll teach the networking concept, I will discuss these points. You'll get more knowledge on that. I'm actually CCNA certified engineer. Okay, my career was started in
Oh.
the networking. So, my interest topics also mostly into the networking side and security side. I will discuss more points in that area. Don't worry.
Okay. Thanks,
So,
Rajesh.
uh, you got your answer right? Clearly?
Yeah.
Perfect. Guys, anyone have any questions?
Uh, Also, can we move the data center? I mean, like, can we easily move the data from different data centers? I
No.
mean, among them?
Managing the
No?
data one location to another location migration is tough. So here there is a migration services is there. Migration and transfer services. We can use this and we can move
Mhm.
that. Okay. So that's a advanced
Yeah.
level concept. Even in this course, I will teach that.
Yeah. Okay.
Good question. Thank you. I never
Thank you.
expected this type of questions in this session today. Okay, like you, what are the questions you're asking? And I never seen the previous batches the people are asked. I'm really very happy to answer to you. Okay, which is very very relevant questions. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Rajesh.
Yeah. Any one more questions? Last one more question.
Hi Rajesh,
Hey.
this is Anil. I have asked you about this one earlier. So, what exactly a AWS DevOps engineer will do
So,
is they are in developing or providing services. Which kind of services exactly? I would like to know that.
okay, fine. So you understand what is the AWS now? AWS is providing the data
Yes,
centers
it is a
worldwide.
yes,
So
it is
now
a
you can set up your
cloud.
server, storage, network, databases, application services, everything you can set up on that. You have an idea, right?
Yes,
Right. So next video, so a very piece of information you'll get it. As a AWS engineer, what you will do. Okay. So wait for another 10 more minutes. Okay. So you will get an idea. AWS engineer, what type of job they can perform. But every job I will not able to explain in the next video. But one job I can explain with some sample scenario. Okay. Or demo scenario I'll explain it. Right. So even the demo also I'm explaining here. So the concept is one of the a popular website you want to develop. Example like this. You want to develop like this website. So the developer will develop this type of applications, but we need to host the application on the server. Okay. So if you go to Google, olden days, okay, old web server hosting in physical server in olden days, not nowadays, olden days, okay. 15 years back, okay. I'll show you some pics. See, this type of server, see, this type of server we are taking, and we are installing the operating system, and web application is installed, web server is installed, and we are configuring on the network, and people able to access the web page. Okay. So this type of
yes,
servers they used it.
yes.
But
Even I
nowadays,
saw in office.
sorry.
So I'm working in emphasis. So even we are having a server room, which is a lot of equipment, and every 1 hour, one guy has to come, and they need to from maintenance team. They need to come and check the temperature, everything, and all.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
I saw that it is a huge room and it is well equipped. And so
See,
in AWS, what you explained and what I heard is we don't require that. The server will be in a cloud. So whatever the data we are having, we can upload into the cloud server, and whenever we required, we can take it from there. That one I got it.
yes. See, this type of servers is there. This types of servers will be, they'll be maintained in the this type of data centers. Okay. This type of data centers we are inserting the server and we are maintaining it. So these servers are connecting on the internet area and we are accessing outside. Okay. Now the same scenario in the next video, I will be hosting the web server in two parts. First we will create the uh, server in cloud. Then second video, how to install the web services and host your website. Understood? With the two videos I will explain. Please wait for another 10 to 15 minutes. So please watch the second video, the next video, how to create, okay, how to create Linux instance or Windows instance. So guys, now here I'm going to explain Windows instance, guys. So in the next video, I show you how to create a Windows instance in AWS cloud. So the first responsibility for AWS engineer, how they are doing it. Thank you.